Okay, so I'm going to replace the laser, flip it over. And take off all these feet onto the side here. And then just remove these screws. Okay, so it should lift off, and the ribbon cable, there's a ribbon cable connected to the power button, so be careful of that. I'm going to rest this up against something just so, or maybe there is enough, actually there is enough room to lay it down. So now we have, there should be 4 screws here, but there's only 3 screws to remove. And then should lift off. Oh, I've got to plug it in to eject the tray. So I will do that. Okay. Okay. Eject. Okay. Unplug that. Okay, so now we just had to remove the laser, and I have one here. And that there looks like the solder blob that we have to take off. It just protects it from during shipping, so I'm going to have to desolder that, which I guess we'll do now. Okay, so now we just have to take out this screw here. And then we can lift up this rail. And then we can what was that? Then we can remove this ribbon cable. Yes, it doesn't matter so much if you break the connection here on the bad one, because you're going to throw it away anyway, but it pays to be careful with these things. Sometimes you push them, flick them out, like this one. And I just use a little screwdriver just to flick out the tabs at the side. But sometimes you have to flick them up, they lift up. There we go. And in this part here, we remove that, the screw here, remove this, put it on our good laser. They don't normally come with them, so. And then it's ready to install. And also the name, you look there on the laser that you remove and it says the product code, and make sure you get the right one, because this it won't recognise it if it's different. To make sure we got it the right way around. Is it the right way? I think this come out a bit more. Should go most of the way. Straight in when I turn the camera off. Kind of hard to see on autofocus, but now we just got to push this connector back in. Make sure it's pushed in correctly. Okay. It's just reassembling really now. Put this foot on, leg, or not leg, rail. Goes in this way first. Push it down, and then put our screw back in to hold the rail in place.